And shifting focus to the big political story, we're tracking the BJP is currently working on two formulas for Jammu and Kashmir. The party is in talks with both the PDP and the National Conference. It is aiming to push for its first chief minister in Jammu and Kashmir. One of the formula that has been negotiated with the PDP is the chief minister on a rotational basis. The party is also willing to give a cabinet berth to either of the muftis as a part of this formula. The second formula that is a part of the negotiations is with the National Conference is to give a Rajya Sabha berth to Omar Abdullah and a cabinet berth for an NC leader. The senior BJP leader is likely to leave for Srinagar to take the negotiations ahead. Well, bringing us the inside track of what is really going on with the BJP at this point in time is Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey. Brijesh, there are various permutations and combinations that are being worked out at this point in time. But interestingly, like you've been pointing out, the BJP at this point in time is looking to, in fact, work out the possibility of an alliance with the National Conference, because that would put the BJP in the position of the dominating ally.
Well, Rishika, this is the view of the dominant senior leaders in the BJP. But we can't rule out a possibility of an alliance with PDP. Basically, there are two formulas which are being worked out. One, alliance with PDP with Mehbooba Mufti, of one of the very senior PDP guy, getting a cabinet ministerial berth at the center, whereas the chief ministership will go on a rotational basis with both sides getting chief ministers for 3 years each. The second option which is being worked out is with NC, and it is here where the BJP feels more comfortable, because right now they have almost 10 seats more than what the PDP NC has in the valley, and they feel that that they will be the larger partner and the NC will be the smaller partner, so it will give them a lot of elbow room while negotiating for tough terms, and clearly they are also eyeing it, and in this formula it is being worked out that Omar Abdullah might get a Rajya Sabha berth and one of the NC guy will be adjusted in the ministerial berth in Delhi. So these two formulas are being worked upon. A senior leader of the BJP will leave today for Srinagar, is likely to leave today for Srinagar and to give more impetus to the backroom negotiations which has been on ever since the final verdict has come out yesterday. Rishika?
All right, with Jammu and Kashmir throwing up a hung verdict, there are hectic parleys and negotiations, back-channel talks that are underway. As Brijesh has been reporting, a senior BJP leader is likely to make his way to Srinagar. At this point in time, all possible political permutations and combinations are being worked out. But as Brijesh has been pointing out, the BJP's preferred choice at this point in time is the National Conferences. That would give the BJP the position of the dominant ally in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Well, we're going to continue to track developments on what exactly the BJP is thinking. Brijesh Pandey will be bringing us the inside track. Well, shortly after emerging as the single largest party in Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti harped on good governance, hinting that she might side with the BJP.
We're not, there to cobble up any numbers just for the sake of arithmetic. See, we had a common minimum program in 2002 and it worked very good for us and it worked very good for the country also. इस वक्त भी हमारा जो priority है, that is not to cobble up a government. It is to, see, to explore the possibilities कि ऐसा कौन सी फॉर्मेशंस बनाए जिससे जो पीडीपी का एजेंडा है, जो हमारे लोगों से हमारी वाबस्ता है, और क्रेडिबिलिटी, अब ऑल उस सरकार की एक क्रेडिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए लोगों के नजरों में कि और वी शुड बी एबल टू डिलीवर दैट.